How you going? Gonna do a little trip out to Panna Hill with the girls and the misso as well. She's just setting the drone up. Yeah, first video. Yeah, there's the kids. So yeah, we're just gonna do a couple of little river crossings and then head out to Panna Hill and show the river flowing. So it's pretty rare to get a flowing river in Panna, and yeah, we just thought we'd show you. This is the Robe River, fully flowing. It's down, and that Panna Hill, can't really see it. We'll get a better view, get some drone footages for you, but yeah, once it dries off a bit, do a lot more exploring. Just to give you a gauge on how high the water level does get. Usually you can't get down here, but you can see all the debris in the trees, all built up. Oops, it's on a rock. Fair bit of it there. Just to get a gauge of it. That's how high it is. Higher than me. I'm 6 foot. So fair bit of water comes down here. You wouldn't want to be out here when it starts flowing, that's for sure. So Riley wanted to show you something. I don't think this is his actual name, but it's what Riley calls it. So what's this? What's this tree called though, Riley?
Booby tree.
What is it?
Booby tree.
The booby tree. Yeah, got all these weird lumps all over them. Riley calls it booby tree. Pretty sure that's not what it actually is, but that's what she calls it.
But those little circle things look like boobies.
Yeah. Yep. I think they get it.
Oh, I just took boobies. Alright.
Big throw. Good work. Pretty cool, eh, Riley? You love it when the river flows? There's the rig over there. And the car too. There's no way she's going to let me put that in there. So yeah, that's Panna Hill. Obviously we can show you a lot more stuff. Kids are falling, one of them's fallen asleep now in the back. So as what happens when you're on a dirt road with kids that live in the Pilbara. So yeah, we'll take her home to have a nap, and then maybe later on this afternoon we might head out somewhere else and we can show you somewhere else when the river's good. So yeah, cheers.